You're gonna love the 2022 Nissan Murano. Relax and make the most of everyday errands or adventurous road trips in this smooth-riding Murano. Tech-savvy and upscale, this roomy midsize crossover has the features you need to feel confident on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss out on the upscale features this stylish Murano has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.